Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, okay, we are having a small issue with the car. Okay guys, so we have actually a coolant leak, and the thing is, I've been trying to look for the coolant leak. You know, when I open the bonnet, right, I will take my torchlight, I'll look around and all this. Yeah, and I noticed that I have been, topping up the coolant, okay, every once in a while, right, and it started to get more and more frequent. Yeah, and the last time, right, okay, I top it up, okay, it actually has the engine light, okay, which is coolant too low, and I top it up, and it lasted for about a week before that engine light came up again. So I was thinking there must have been a leak somewhere, and it must be it should be quite big, because if it leaks so fast, right, it should be quite big. Alright, so I'm actually taken a closer look, okay, when I open the bonnet, and it is right in front, and one of the coolant pipes, right, I've actually changed one, okay, a few months ago, and that coolant pipe is near to that. Yeah, is another one that goes across the engine block. Yeah, and this one has signs of, coolant dripping, and the thing is, I've seen, a lot of coolant on the belt as well. Yeah, and on the tensioner, the belt, the pulley. Yeah, so I know that coolant pipe has been leaking, and when the belt is spinning, right, it is, splattering around in the whole engine area. Alright, so guys, for today's episode, we'll be trying to change this. I have, done my research. I've seen quite a few videos. It should be, less than an hour, repair. But the thing is, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a crazy guy who loves working on his car. So for today's episode, I'll be trying to do it and see how long it will take. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to start this one. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole DIY, right? And you know, I would say this job is really super easy. Yeah, the only challenges I face, right, is that the space is a little tight. Yeah, so if you have big fat hands, okay, maybe you have an issue and you have to remove some items from the front. Yeah, but for me, right, okay, it is still quite easy and manageable. And I believe a lot of you guys out there will be able to DIY on your own. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, guys. Smash it. Yeah. Press the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, guys. Drop a comment down below what you want to see. Alright, so take care. Bye bye.